Pranam to all. I hope you are all fine. While collecting some flowers, let me show you some of my vegetables as well. Chhoti and me both love harvesting. Every day in the morning, we collect some flowers and then collect some vegetables from our garden. We mostly collect rich gourd, ash gourd, brinjal, long beans, snake gourd, etc. from our garden. You must have all known by now that every flowers and vegetables in our garden are organic. Today we are going to talk about a plant which is not a flower plant, neither a vegetable plant. It is the most precious plant in any Indian kitchen garden. Can you all guess what plant am I talking about? Yes, it is the curry leaf plant. Every one of us wants that our curry leaf plant gets bushier, greener and grows faster. Most of us also want to know that how do I grow curry leaves in a pot? How do I fertilize a curry leaf plant? And what is the best natural fertilizer for the curry leaf plant? Well, let me share a secret with you. Most of the fertilizers for your curry leaf plant can be homemade right in your kitchen. My mom is cutting the lower branches so that the soil gets more sunlight than usual. Now let's see how to fertilize a curry leaf plant. Curry leaf plants benefits significantly from regular feedings of fertilizer higher in nitrogen value. Apply one application of blood meal. You can easily get the blood meal from your kitchen by washing the meat or the fish by water. The water that you get after washing the fish or meat is the substitute of the blood meal. Curry leaf plant also responds positively to homemade fertilizers like buttermilk, rice water, and eggshell fertilizer. My mom likes to apply dilute rice water daily. Actually, curry leaf plant growing in the ground doesn't require a lot of fertilizers. It gets most of the nutrients and minerals from the soil. But when growing in a container, the nutrients and minerals from potting soil wash away with the regular watering. That's why you should follow a fertilizer schedule to make your curry leaf plant healthier, bushier, and grow faster. Tea leaf compost also contains a lot of nitrogen. So you can also apply 3 months interval tea leaf compost. If you want to know how to make tea leaf compost, you can go to our channel and watch a video. Now let's talk about buttermilk. There are multiple reasons why buttermilk is an excellent homemade fertilizer for a curry leaf plant. Buttermilk makes the soil acidic, which curry leaf plant loves. You can also give 2 tablespoons of curd into a gallon of water. Yogurt works the same as the buttermilk. Normally, curry leaf plants don't get a lot of pest attack. But still, my mom gives this Bioenzymes spray to the plant. It helps in preventing any pest attack and helps in plant growth. Now let me tell you how to make this Bioenzyme spray. Put 5 ml of Bioenzyme with 1 liter of water and then mix it together. After that, you must simply spray it on your plants. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.